Welcome to this screencast demonstrating how parents can enter an attendance note for a future full-day absence for their child. It's important to note that each school has particular procedures that need to be followed when entering attendance notes. Your school will advise you of these. You can see when a parent logs into the parent portal, they can see their child or children down the left-hand side. In order to add an attendance note, click on the link associated with the child, Add an attendance note. Once you do that, you're brought to the data entry screen. At this point, I want to point out the important notice. Please ensure that you have read the notice carefully. You can now click on the reason, and this is in line with the New South Wales attendance codes. In this case, it's a medical illness. Type in a comment as to why the student is away from school for the future absence. And you can see this can be clicked on in terms of the start date and the finish date. As a default, the start time is 8 AM and the completion time is 5 PM. This does not need to be changed. Parents are advised that these notes could be put in prior to the commencement of the school day, particularly if you know your child is sick prior to the school day commencing. Once you're happy with the note and you've selected the desired dates, click on the Save button, and that appears in the attendance notes for the child as entered by the parent. To see what that looks like in the summary, you can come back to the summary and notice the medical illness note hovers over the student's schedule for the 2 days. Thank you for watching this screencast on how parents can enter an attendance note for a future full day absence in Compass for their child.